at the stairs.
Oh my!
Fix the stairs.
Look at this basement.
We just like so grateful for this room, and we're just gonna spend a lot of time down here together.
Unbelievable. I mean, it's like beyond our wildest dreams.
Now we can live and sing our hearts out, and that's exactly what they're going to do.
So Ethan, do I get a thumbs up on the bathroom and the bedroom and your little area?
If I was an octopus, I would have gave 8 thumbs up.
8 thumbs up?
This is the best room I've ever been in.
We moved in here, everything was like original, like 1969, you know, very old-fashioned. So room by room, he renovated it himself, you know, just to save money, and he was able to do it. The space downstairs was the last room pretty much in the house that wasn't renovated. We thought about it last year, and then that's when he started getting sick. We all decided more like it would be their area for them and their friends. So he was excited to be able to do this for them, and it didn't work out that way.
Welcome home, ladies.
Hi.
How you guys doing? You excited? You nervous? A little bit of both?
Little of both.
Well,
Yeah.
I can assure you that it is better now than it was when you left. But what do you say we check it out for ourselves, huh? Without further ado. 3, 2, 1. Take it off.
Oh my gosh. Looks so different than before.
It's just a little different.
I think we are definitely going to be the cool house in the neighborhood. Lots of time will be spent in this room. You could fit definitely 30, 40 kids in this room, right?
You ready for a party?
We just like so grateful for this room, and we're just gonna spend a lot of time down here together. Me and my friends are gonna use it first. Yeah, hopefully we don't fight.
They're not going to be in here all the time. I'll kick them out.
This week's rescue, we're helping out the Brashear family. Kate works for a nonprofit in the city 5 days a week, and Ben is a writer who stays at home with the kids. Add to that, a 3rd child on the way, no space to put him in. That's where we come in.
When we first bought this house, the backyard was lovely. It was beautiful, it was lush, and the only thing that wasn't was our garage. I mean, that was always really kind of gross and stinky, to be honest. The previous owners had a dog kennel that they operated in there, and so it was kind of just always stunk.
Keep your eyes down, keep your eyes down. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Guys, check this out. You guys are good.
We try.
You guys are good.
Unbelievable. I mean, it's like beyond our wildest dreams.
I mean, we had such a big yard before, but it was just so much of it was totally unusable. And now it's like completely all totally usable. You know, when you don't have your own space, it's hard to take your work seriously. When you're pulling up on the couch and, you know, kids are running around you, it's just hard to think like, okay, I'm a writer. It's very hard to keep that in your head. And to have a space that's dedicated to that, for me, I feel like I'm really gonna be able to sort of kick it up a notch and like get a lot of stuff done. Actually just start churning some work out. I feel like this is the start of some big things.
I hope so.
Pink? I definitely think they approve. Success. Mason was diagnosed with autism back in 2013, and although he faces significant developmental challenges, Rich and Jamie are doing everything they can to help him reach his full potential. Jamie has put her career on hold to take care of Mason and to be an advocate for autism awareness. And Rich has taken on a second job just to help with the cost of therapy. Jamie and Rich maintain a warm and loving home, but they are definitely in need of a safe space for their active boys.
Come
What's up, Richie? How's it going, buddy?
Hug.
Oh, thanks for the hug. You guys ready to see what we did?
We're really ready.
I think Richie's ready to go. He's already at the front door.
Are
So,
you ready, bud?
Richie, lead the charge.
Okay.
You ready to come home?
Oh my God, the stairs.
Oh my!
Fix the stairs.
Look at this basement.
Oh my God.
It's perfect.
This is amazing.
When we first came down and I just saw lights and colors and amazing furniture and then the ball pit, which Mason went right into and was so happy.
Look at the smile on his face now.
Huh?
Mason, you have your own ball pit.
I'll go into the ball pit.
Being down here and seeing all of these sensory toys that Mason will really enjoy, but there's also some really cool pillows everywhere, lots of colors.
You guys, this is amazing. I don't even know what to say.
I mean, for a kid that works so hard and struggles so much to like have a place where you can have fun, it's awesome.
Harlem's AHRC Fisher Center helps adults living with intellectual and developmental disabilities reach their full potential. And Fisher's dedicated staff create life-enriching programs and services specifically for the people they support. John's art class and Patricia's Soaring Wings Choir have become very popular within the building and the community. These unique creative outlets reflect the Fisher Center's positive and collaborative spirit. Unfortunately, both the art room and the multi-purpose room where the choir class is held do not reflect the programs themselves. The spaces are cramped, uninspired, and not functional. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, how are you?
My hands were sweaty. I was just shaking. I just couldn't wait.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right.
Oh my God.
Wow. This is not what I expect. Oh, I have one word with 4 syllables. Remarkable. When I first went in, when they showed me the multi-purpose room, my head was down. And then when I looked up, the wings. We are the soaring wings. It literally took my breath away. I usually talk a lot. I am a loss for words.
This is very unusual, everybody.
Yeah, exactly.
Very unusual.
The environment was so horrible. You know, the walls, it was so dreadful, dead. Now, look at this, live. Now we can live and sing our hearts out. And that's exactly what they're gonna do.
We got 2 mics here for you. We got like 500 different effects.
No more boombox, because that's what we was using to practice. Now we're gonna be better, stronger, and there's no stopping us.
When Ethan was 4 years old, he was diagnosed with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, which is a progressive disease that causes muscular tissue to deteriorate, limiting development and mobility. Betsy and Dustin have done everything they can to modify their current home to suit Ethan's needs. But ultimately, they've been forced to start from scratch and do new construction on another property.
Right now, the house is in the process of being constructed. The inside is bones.
The challenges in making a home that's accessible is we had to do that much more research and more learning and meet more people and understand what works specifically even for Ethan.
Balancing those two things, trying to make sure we still tackle all of our regular daily stuff, it's exhausting.
Demers family, welcome home.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. It is so beautiful. Oh, you made
They did the seat. They did the what? They did the seat.
You did the bench. This is like beyond.
Hit the button. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
whoa! It's a 5, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
There's so many cool things that like are totally our style.
It's just warm and inviting. It really means a lot to have that kind of home.
This is just the living room.
You know I have to check out the kitchen.
Oh, it felt so big. I feel like I could fit 3 of my old kitchens in this new kitchen.
Oh my God. This is so beautiful. This is totally what I wanted.
You're not going to have to do any
Maintenance,
the
maintenance free.
This is all maintenance free.
We had no idea really what we were in for. It was one surprise after the next.
Oh my God.
This is so
Awesome.
This is so cool. Ethan, look at your bed.
Oh, look at the piece. Look at that sign. Oh, it was just awesome to finally see what my new room looks like. And I love that peace sign back there.
This bed is
Crazy.
gorgeous.
Nice and low too, E. It's easy for you.
It just was a flood of emotion because this is an area for Ethan to be Ethan. I could tell that he was already home in his room. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. We're never getting him out of that shower.
Yeah.
Ever.
So Ethan, do I get a thumbs up on the bathroom and the bedroom and your
Yes.
little area?
If I was an octopus, I would have gave 8 thumbs up.
8 thumbs up?
This is the best room I've ever been in.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.